Welcome to this video where I'll introduce you to the Waalaxy dashboard. I'll introduce you to all the different tabs, but we'll come back to each of them in detail in dedicated videos later on. On the homepage, at the moment, as you've just created your account, you need to complete certain steps before you can access the various statistics for your account. In the Leads tab, this is where you can import your leads. I'll show you how in the next video. You'll see that there are several ways to import your leads, including from a CSV file, a LinkedIn search, or via Sales Navigator. In the Campaign tab, you'll find your current campaigns, your paused campaigns, your archived campaigns, and also your drafts, i.e., campaigns you've started but haven't finalized. In Prospecting template, you can create and save prospecting messages for use in other campaigns. When you create a campaign on Waalaxy, your actions such as sending invitations, messages, and profile visits are placed in the queue. The queue works on a first-come, first-served basis, respecting your daily quotas, i.e., the action placed first in the queue will be executed first, unless you have no quota left for that action. The Inbox tab is Waalaxy's enhanced LinkedIn messaging service. In fact, Waalaxy offers LinkedIn messaging, but better, with more features and more filters. Waalaxy's team plan lets you unite several accounts under a single umbrella. It's ideal for anyone who needs to manage several LinkedIn accounts at the same time. In the Subscribe tab, you'll find the plan you currently have. If you've used my ambassador link and followed my video on the subject, you should be on the business plan for a 30-day free trial. This is also where you can change your plan at a later date. We looked at the Settings tab in the previous video on how to set up your account, so I won't go over it again. In Quadnuff, you'll find the latest news about Waalaxy, and you'll be able to submit ideas for improvements to Waalaxy. In Voir Demo, you'll have access to a number of tutorials to help you get the most out of Waalaxy, and in FAQ, you'll find answers to the questions most people ask when using the tool. Finally, you can also change the language if you wish. At the bottom right, this is where you can contact Waalaxy support. They're very responsive and usually get back to you within 24 hours, so don't hesitate to contact them if you need to. At the top, you'll once again find the Subscribe tab for modifying your plan. In Start a Campaign, this is where you can create your campaigns. We'll come back to this in detail in another video. In Browse Sequences, you can see that Waalaxy offers a huge number of options. There are a whole host of sequences available for you to use once you've imported your leads into Waalaxy. The Invitation campaign, for example, will enable you to invite prospects to join your relationships. Invitation plus 2 messages lets you invite prospects and then send them 2 messages once they've accepted the invitation. There are also sequences that combine messages on LinkedIn and the sending of emails. We'll come back to this in detail. Then there's the Ambassador program, which you can join if you want to promote Waalaxy to your friends and family or your network and generate affiliate commissions in the process. The Community tab gives you access to Waalaxy's Facebook Community Exchange group. In the Roadmap tab, you'll be able to see all the features the Waalaxy team is working on, and you can also submit and vote for features you'd like to see integrated into Waalaxy. Finally, you can use dark mode if you prefer. That's it for this video presentation of the Waalaxy dashboard. We'll now go into detail about all its features, starting with the next video where I'll show you how to import leads into Waalaxy. See you soon.